In this video, I'm going to show you how we go from this and this to the finished product and everything in between. We took an 8-day cruise with our 3 and 4-year-olds, but before we could enjoy the fun, we had to pack. I'll step you through the cruise packing process with little kids and stick around to the end to learn our favorite secret when cruising with kids. The first thing is just putting everything out on the floor. Each of my girls will have their own packing cube, which I put all of their clothes into for the entire 8-day cruise. These are just standard packing cubes, and usually I start out by folding everything, but by the end, I'm just going to toss it in there and hope it fits and zips. So you might be asking, this does not seem like a lot of clothes to make it for 8 days. So here's my secret. Laundry detergent in a Ziploc bag, dryer sheets, second Ziploc bag, and there you go. And you can't forget the swim and sun essentials. This is everything that the girls will have for their entire cruise. A full list of items packed is linked in the description below. The big thing here is we like to make sure they have their Keep Busy book bags that they'll carry on themselves in case we have a longer embarkation process. Here's a quick peek at the lingerette on the Carnival Spirit. This is our secret to cruising with kids. It's $3.50 per cycle, both for washing and for drying. And you just swipe your Sail & Sign card to pay. The machines are unlimited, so make sure to set a timer to pick up your laundry. And then, if you didn't bring your own laundry detergent or dryer sheets, they do have a soap center that you can use for $2. Finally this, don't forget the free iron for Elegant Night. Do you ever do laundry while cruising? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. Also, if you'd like for me to help you plan your next Carnival vacation, make sure to check out our website at thesailaways.com. Until next time.
Mr. Sailaways, signing off.